Exfoliating your face is a key step in achieving smooth, radiant skin, but choosing the wrong scrub can lead to irritation, dryness, or breakouts. To help, we've reviewed the best facial cleanser scrubs that combine effective exfoliation with gentle cleansing. From enzyme-based powders to creamy scrubs, these top 5 products remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and improve texture without damaging the skin barrier. Let's dive into each product, highlighting their features, benefits, usage, usability, and durability, so you can choose the right scrub for your skin. Kicking off our list at number 1, Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. The Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant is a rice-based exfoliating powder that activates upon contact with water to release papain, salicylic acid, and rice enzymes. It gently removes dead skin cells and impurities while brightening the complexion, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Unlike abrasive scrubs, this microfoliant provides a mild, non-irritating exfoliation that promotes smooth, radiant skin and improves absorption of subsequent skincare products. Daily use encourages healthier skin texture and a refreshed, polished appearance. Key features: enzyme-based rice powder. Contains salicylic acid for pore clearing. Gentle enough for daily use on sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: sprinkle a small amount onto wet palms, add water to create a paste, and massage onto the face for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, removes dead cells, smooths texture, and brightens skin without irritation. Daily use enhances radiance, supports natural cell turnover, and promotes a healthy, soft complexion. Usability: powder to paste transformation allows easy application and even coverage. Can be incorporated into morning or evening routines. Compatible with moisturizers and serums. Durability: powder formula ensures long shelf life. Provides consistent exfoliating performance over months of regular use. In the second spot, we have L'Oreal Pure Clay Scrub. The L'Oreal Pure Clay Scrub combines 3 types of clay: kaolin, montmorillonite, and gasol, with gentle exfoliating beads to detoxify, refine pores, and remove impurities. Its creamy texture effectively buffs away dead skin cells while absorbing excess oil, leaving skin smooth and refreshed. Suitable for normal to oily skin. This dual-action scrub clarifies the complexion, minimizes pores, and restores a natural glow without over-drying, making it a convenient addition to weekly skincare routines. Key features: triple clay formula for deep cleansing. Gentle exfoliating beads. Suitable for normal to oily skin. Benefits and usage: apply a small amount to damp skin and massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Removes dead skin cells, absorbs excess oil, and unclogs pores. Weekly use smooths texture, brightens complexion, and leaves skin refreshed, clear, and soft. Usability: creamy, lathering texture spreads easily. Rinses cleanly without residue. Compatible with serums and moisturizers. Ideal for weekly exfoliation routines. Durability: packaged in a sturdy tube, ensuring long-lasting use. Maintains exfoliating and cleansing properties through repeated applications. Coming in at number 3 is the Kate Somerville ExfoliKate. Somerville ExfoliKate Intensive Exfoliating. Treatment is a professional-grade scrub formulated with a blend of fruit enzymes, lactic acid, and microcrystalline beads. It provides a deep exfoliation that removes dead skin cells, polishes texture, and improves radiance. Suitable for all skin types, it combines chemical and physical exfoliation to enhance skin clarity, refine pores, and stimulate cell turnover. With its gentle yet powerful formula, it delivers spa-quality results at home, leaving skin visibly smoother and more luminous after each use. Key features: blend of fruit enzymes and lactic acid. Microcrystalline beads for gentle physical exfoliation. Suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Benefits and usage: apply a thin layer to damp skin and massage gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Removes impurities, refines texture, and brightens skin. Weekly or bi-weekly use promotes a polished, smooth complexion, reduces dullness, and enhances absorption of other skincare products. Usability: smooth, paste-like texture spreads easily and rinses cleanly. Can be incorporated into weekend or special treatment routines. Durability: jar packaging allows controlled use. maintains potency and exfoliating performance over months. Taking our fourth spot is Fresh Sugar Face Polish. Fresh Sugar Face Polish is a gentle scrub designed to exfoliate and moisturize simultaneously. Formulated with brown sugar, strawberry seed oil, and real strawberries, it physically buffs away dead skin cells while delivering antioxidant-rich hydration. Its creamy texture softens the skin, refines pores, and improves texture, making it suitable for normal to dry skin. Regular use promotes a smoother, radiant, and youthful complexion while protecting the skin barrier from over-drying or irritation. Key features: brown sugar and strawberry seeds for exfoliation, strawberry seed oil for hydration, creamy formula ideal for normal to dry skin. Benefits and usage: apply to damp skin and massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly, removes dulling surface cells, refines texture, and enhances radiance. Weekly use leaves skin soft, nourished, and polished with improved clarity and smoothness. Usability: creamy, spreadable texture makes application effortless. Rinses cleanly and pairs well with serums or moisturizers. Durability: packaged in a jar with substantial product volume. Long-lasting formulation retains exfoliating efficacy over repeated uses. And finally, at number 5, we have Clean and Clear. Morning Scrub Clean and Clear Morning Scrub is an affordable, daily-use facial scrub formulated with microbeads and glycolic acid. Designed to remove excess oil, dirt, and dead skin cells, it helps prevent breakouts and promotes a smoother, clearer complexion. Suitable for normal to oily skin, it brightens and refreshes skin in the morning routine. Its gentle exfoliating action ensures effective cleansing without causing irritation or dryness, making it a convenient, effective choice for everyday use. Key features: microbeads and glycolic acid for dual exfoliation. Suitable for normal to oily skin. Gentle enough for daily morning use. Benefits and usage: apply to damp skin, massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. Removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and eliminates excess oil. Daily use prevents breakouts, smooths texture, and refreshes the skin for a polished, clear, and energized appearance. Usability: smooth, lathering consistency spreads evenly and rinses cleanly. Integrates seamlessly into morning cleansing routines with moisturizers or serums. Durability: squeeze tube packaging ensures controlled dispensing. Long-lasting formula provides consistent exfoliating performance throughout daily use. Exfoliating cleansers are essential for achieving smooth, radiant, and healthy skin, but choosing the right scrub ensures effectiveness without irritation. These top 5 facial cleanser scrubs combine gentle physical or enzyme-based exfoliation with cleansing to remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and refine texture. From daily powders to luxurious enzyme scrubs, each product delivers visible improvements in radiance and smoothness. Incorporate one of these into your skincare routine to maintain clear, polished, and glowing skin while supporting your skin's natural barrier.